And as you can see, every time I have to make a liter of water. And now I'm stirring the mixture. So here's the powder that we put in. My dad bought all of these colors and I'm stirring the mixture. So I'll see you in a little bit. Peace. Okay guys, I'm back and now I'm gonna pour a red tie-dye in the bowl. Here we go. Wow, it looks like a purple. But when I add the water in, I think it's gonna be like a reddish type. You see, like these two, they kind of look like the same color. So maybe that will also turn out like these two. I don't know. Ouch. This is hot. Please do not try this alone without a parental guidance. Whoa, that's hot. Okay guys, now I'm gonna stir it thoroughly or else it won't turn out right. And you will have big clumps and thumps on your shirt and no one wants that. This is actually turning out to be kind of red. And the smoke, the steam is everywhere. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Okay, so guys, as you can see, we put on our gear and all the colors are done. The orange looks kind of mucky though, like, you know, thick. So what we are gonna do is we're gonna take all these colors, bring it outside, and we're gonna start tie-dyeing. And I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Okay, I'm back. It's the next day. So what we done here, we wrapped it in plastic and we had to wait for 24 hours. So let's unwrap it. Soaked and wet and soaked. I don't know. Okay, it's so wet. Whoa, this looks so cool. When it has the strings or elastics, you guys can use anything. When you take it off,
And
it
now
looks
for
so
the big
cool.
reveal.
Oh,
Ta-da!
turn it around. Oh my god, that looks so cool. Oh, that looks so cool.
That's what I was
Let's
going
see
for.
your one, Rain.
I'm trying to unwrap it as fast as I can.
I'm gonna put mine in the sun to dry.
Okay. I was so scared. What if mine turned around?
Excited.
Okay. Okay, what did I do? Okay, it looks nice. It's just not a swirl like I expected. But
Wow, yours is stunning.
I kind of like
Pick
it.
it up there and there. Wow.
I love the blue because it's like an ocean blue and I love the ocean.
Yours is so cool.
I'm trying not to Let my white shirt touch it.
Yeah. So if you tie it differently, so every time you tie it in a different shape, the paint will make a different shape on the t-shirt.
I like the stripe thing.
Cool.
Doesn't happen much often.
Okay, I'll go English. You can say bye to your.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna end the video. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye.